from technology development to science missions to major flight system programs. Marshall's propulsion research and development also supports the U.S. commercial sector and has supported NASA's commercial crew and commercial cargo programs. Marshall's participation in development efforts such as Shuttle and the Inertial Upper Stage, or IUS, has provided space access capabilities to DoD as well as the civil space sector. An important part of Marshall's involvement in the International Space Station, or ISS, is the development of the Environmental Control and Life Support System, ECLSS. This equipment recycles air and wastewater in space, providing life support for astronauts on board the ISS. ECLSS recycles crew member urine and wastewater to reuse as clean water. ECLSS also takes some of the recovered water for electrolysis, breaking apart molecules to retrieve oxygen. Marshall pioneered a process of ECLSS water recycling tests utilizing actual human-derived wastewaters collected from test subject volunteers.
This water recycling technology was developed back in the 80s and the 90s. We competed several technologies against one another, and the one we selected was mostly for microgravity use.
Other system and subsystem tests focused on understanding the individual and collective performance of equipment designed to continuously revitalize the ISS cabin atmosphere. Various module simulators are available in Marshall's ECLSS test facility. The Laboratory Module Simulator, LMS, the Node 1 Simulator, and the Regenerative ECLSS Module Simulator. These assets provide complementary capabilities needed to meet a broad range of ECLSS test objectives. For example, future missions may benefit from maintaining spacecraft cabins at conditions that are different from the normal Earth-like ones that are currently maintained on the ISS. Marshall has two module simulators, the Exploration Test Chamber, E-Chamber, and the Vacuum Test Chamber, V-Chamber, which will have the capability to mimic other cabin environments in order to test future ECLSS hardware.
For us, it's about the hardware, because we're touching hardware that's going to fly. We're developing hardware that evaluating those technologies that might be used in the future now, since we have our hardware aboard space station. So there's something new every day, whether it's developing new hardware, looking at doing research on new hardware, or whether it's taking a piece of hardware that has already been selected and turning it into a nice, shiny piece of hardware that's going to fly.